Hi, Dave Snyder here. It's the 24th of September 2014. Okay, so we've had reports of strange sounds in the sky here in Winnipeg, right? And in Canada. And all these thumbtacks you see right here are all centers of those green rings that I pointed out. And here's a picture of them right here, right here. All these green circles, right? And this is, unfortunately, I have this moon picture in there, but goes from one side of the country all the way to the other side of the country, right? And Winnipeg just happened to be right there. And this could be a little off, may not be exactly the center of the circle, but it's really close. It could have been centered in Winnipeg, actually. Okay, so there's one right there. Strange sounds in the sky. There's the right in the center of the green circle that was there, right? And just because the green circles aren't there now, don't mean that they're not on. They're still, they can still be on. Okay, so here's a video showing Conklin, Alberta, Canada, second week. Okay, the strange sounds in the sky right here. I don't know if you can hear it, but anyways, that's one report, so I checked that. So that's right here. Conklin, Alberta, Canada, right here, and it's really close enough to the center of this one that was here. And then let's see, back to the video here. There's more Canadian ones in here somewhere. I don't think this was Canada here. Try to have it all ready for this, but let's do some. Here we go. Costa Rica. Okay, skip ahead. Montreal. Okay, let's check that one. Montreal. Where's that at? Come on, take me there. Montreal. Boom. Right there. Another one right there. Another thumbtack. So there's another area. Right there. Almost dead center of the circle, right? That it was there that day. And it, like I said, just because they're not green now don't mean that they're not on. They could be, they probably are. I don't even have the weather turned on, so there probably is some green here. Anyways, there's another one. So there's three. And they all have that one thing in common. They're all almost dead center of those radar circles. Almost all of them. And let's see, there's another. I think there's another Canada one here. And these ones that are in other countries, I don't know what they got going on there. But I know some of them, like the ones in Russia, would be about the same latitude. You know what I mean? About the same latitude on the Earth. Just, move the Earth around a little bit, it'd be right about the same. I'm not sure what they got going on in Russia or Costa Rica or any of these other countries we got in this video. I'm just pointing out the Canadian ones here. Poland would be probably right around the same latitude. No, there's another Canada one in here. I think. But the sounds sound the same as the ones that reported in Winnipeg. Here's another one. Alberta, Canada, Edmonton, Canada, right? Okay, so let's go there. Edmonton. Thumbtack, right there. All around Edmonton. There's these, that place is surrounded by them. So all of those places all have the same thing in common. I'd almost guarantee that's what those sounds are. Almost guarantee it. Every one of them is right next to one of those radar things. And there was one in Saskatchewan too, so let's go back to the video. I could just say, point out such right there. I want you to see. All of these sounds are very similar. I mean, they all sound the same, pretty much. I know you may not be able to hear what's going on the video, but you can watch the video. One more. Might be actually, I'm not sure. That's all the same one. Okay, well, anyway, there was one in Saskatchewan, and we can go there. Where was that one? Saskatchewan. I can't remember. Right here. I'm not sure what city they were. I guess that's. Oh, it was somewhere up here. But anyways, it's right there. Look at Saskatchewan right there. Boom, thumbtack right there. So that's one thing they all have in common. All these places, all the reports in Canada are all right around those centers of those rings that I showed right there. Every one of them. See that? So I do believe that's what the sounds are. I mean, I'd almost guarantee that's what the sounds are. They're putting out radio frequencies, you know, basically. High frequency, low frequency, I have no idea, but those are definitely, that's definitely one thing they all have in common. I just wanted to point that out. So, you know, anybody that's trying to solve the sound mystery thing, I would definitely look into that, because I'd almost guarantee that's what it is. Have a great day.